Hi guys, it's Ahmed. Welcome back. Today we're going to discuss a grammar topic called zero if conditional. There are 4 types of if conditional. Today we're only going to talk about the first one, which is zero if conditional. When do we use the zero if conditional? We use it when we are expressing facts or general truths. A fact would be like, if you boil water, it evaporates. It's a fact. We all know that when water boils, it evaporates. How about general truths? What is a general truth? A general truth would be like when you say, if I sleep early, I wake up early. It's logical. And I could also say, when I study hard, I succeed. It might not be a fact, it's not 100% guaranteed, but it's a general truth because it's logical, it's expected, like cause and effect. How do we form this zero if conditional? Well, the first thing you have to know is that the sentence is split into 2 pieces. The first is the if clause and the second is the main clause. You could reverse them, could be main clause and then if clause. So let's focus on the first one, if clause. What is the if clause formed of? It's formed of if and present simple. The main clause is the present simple. Let me give you some examples. The first one, if water boils, it evaporates. Where is the if clause? Okay, it's the first part before the comma. Okay, where's the main clause? The second part after the comma. Okay, so we have if, and then where's the present simple in the if clause? Boils. Okay, moving on to the main clause. Where is the present simple? Evaporates. Okay, great. Now the second sentence. When water freezes, it turns into ice. When freezes, present simple, turns, present simple. Now notice in this form that the if clause comes at the beginning of the sentence and it is followed always with a comma. After the comma comes the main clause. The second form is basically the same thing, we just reverse it. So we're going to start with the main clause and then the if clause. Main clause, present simple. If clause, if, present simple. Let me give you some examples. We're going to use the same examples so it's clear for you. The first example, water evaporates if it is boiled. Could you reverse it back? Try. If water is boiled, it evaporates. Okay. The second sentence. Water turns into ice when it freezes. Reverse it. When water freezes, it turns into ice. So the main clause is at the beginning. Water evaporates, water turns into ice. And then the if clause is the other half of the sentence. If it is boiled, when it freezes. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, press like. And if you want to see more videos like this one, Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you so much. Bye.